Top 10 movies to watch over spring break. Number 10 is Toy Story 4. Number 9 is Zootopia 1. Number 8 is The Goat Movie. Number 7 is The Bee Movie. And then number 6 is Monsters, Inc.
Number 5, The Lion King. Number 4, Incredibles. Number 3, Toy Story. Number 2, Cars. Number 1 is Sandlot. Goodbye. Back to the studio.
Alright, and what are you going to do this spring break?
Go to Tennessee, the Smoky Mountains.
For tons of What are you doing over spring break?
I'm going to Florida.
What are you doing over spring break?
I'm going to the movies.
And what are you doing over spring break?
I'm having a sleepover with my best friend, and I'm going out to dinner with my family.
What's your name? How do you spell it?
Cohen, C-O-H-E-N.
And what are you doing over spring break?
Going to my friend's house.
What are you doing over spring break?
Oh, nothing. Just chilling. No?
Nice. Gaining aura!
Weather can be quite unpredictable, but it can truly change the nature of your day. Different activities can be done on different days, such as kiting when the wind is blowing through your hair, or watching a horror film when it is thundering. So here's your weather forecast for spring break, with Caden to show you what the weather is like.
If you're called more to the mountains on your spring break, consider the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. With an average temperature of 60 degrees, with a wonderful view of nature in early spring, and see this landscape of the surrounding.
And moving on to a well-known landmark on the U.S. map, the Grand Canyon is a wonderful place to visit over spring break, with an average of 50 to 61 degrees, reflecting the immense beauty of the canyon.
And another popular spring break destination, Hilo, Hawaii, will have the following forecast for the spring break. We will have a range of temperatures from 75 degrees to 78 degrees with a likely chance of...
Washington, D.C. is a place of many wonders, but during spring break you get to enjoy the cherry blossoms blossoming around you as you explore the historic sites. And over this spring break, the weather should be from 60 to 70 degrees, making it comfortable walking weather for Washington, D.C.
If it's spring in North America, what season is it in Australia? Fall is right. Common natural disaster in spring. Tornado? That is right. During harvest time. Syrup. That's not right. Yeah, you guys have answers? Yep, go on vacation for spring break.
1.5 to 2 million.
That's right. True or false, do sharks have bones? False! That's right. How much do people spend each year on spring break? 500 million. That's wrong. Do you guys have an answer? No. No? Okay. The ocean has been explored. 5%. I know it. 5%. 5% is right. True or false? Surfing was invented in Hawaii. It's them. False! False? Wrong. That is wrong. You guys have an answer. Whoa, true. We're looking at the clips. Alex and Nolan ended up winning because the girls ended up cheating.
Here are some fun food items from Izzy
And Ellie.
For the first food item, we have strawberries and yogurt dip, which is fresh dipped strawberries in yogurt. For the second food item, we have rice cakes with honey and strawberries with a topping of whipped cream. For the third food item, we have strawberry flowers. How you make that is you cut strawberries into thin slices, arrange them into a flower shape on the plate, then put a blueberry or grape in the middle. For the last food item, we have bunny crackers, which are, you spread cream cheese around on the cracker, use banana slices or marshmallows for the bunny ears, and then add a blueberry or a chocolate chip for the nose. And now for the drinks. For the first drink, we have watermelon slushie, which is watermelon cubes, a little lime juice, and ice, and then you blend it all together and put it into a cup. For the second drink, it's a berry smoothie. You blend frozen berries, yogurts, milk, or juice, and then you pour into a cup. And for our third drink is strawberry milk. You get milk, strawberry syrup, and you stir it all together, and you have strawberry milk. The last item is sweet tea. For sweet tea, you need a tea bag, hot water, and sugar. The first step is you put the tea bag in the cup. Second is you pour hot water over the tea bag. Third, let the tea bag sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. The fourth step, you take out the tea bag and stir in the sugar while the tea is still warm. 5, add ice and let it cool. And for the sugar, you can add as much sugar as your heart desires. Just don't let it be too sugary.